When the world buried daughters alive, Muhammad lifted them with his hands. When women were treated as property, Muhammad called them a trust from Allah. He did not raise his voice over a woman. He did not strike a woman. He did not humiliate a woman. He listened. He stood when an old woman spoke. He smiled when a poor woman came with trembling hands. He walked with widows in the streets of Medina, not as a ruler, but as a servant. He said, "The best of you are the best to their women." Look at how he treated widows, women broken by loss, by hunger, by fear. He sat with them. He fed them. He defended their dignity when society had already forgotten. Look at how he treated poor women, women with no wealth, no protection, no voice. He never turned them away. He never made them feel small. Their pain mattered to him. Look at how he treated girls. He kissed his daughter Fatima on her forehead. He stood up when she entered the room. He showed the world that raising daughters is not shame, it is honor. He said, "Whoever raises daughters with kindness, they will be a shield for him from hellfire." Look at how he respected elderly women. He recognized their sacrifices, their years of patience, their silent strength. And look at how he honored brave women, women who spoke truth, women who endured persecution, women who stood firm when the world shook. He never feared strong women. He never felt threatened by intelligent women. His first supporter was a woman. His greatest comfort was a woman, Khadija, a businesswoman, a leader, a thinker. He did not diminish her success. He did not compete with her strength. He honored it. He said, "She believed in me when the world rejected me. This is the man we follow, not a man of cruelty, not a man of arrogance, but a man of mercy, justice, and humility." If someone claims to love Muhammad far, yet oppresses women, they have not understood him. If someone raises his hand against a woman and claims Islam, he has betrayed the Sunnah. Muhammad came to liberate, not dominate, to heal, not wound, to honor, not silence. And today, when women cry, when widows suffer, when girls are afraid, when mothers are ignored, the question is not, what did Islam say? The question is, where are we from? The character of Muhammad Sallallahu. May Allah make our hearts soft like His mercy and our actions strong like His justice. Peace and blessings be upon Muhammad Sallallahu.